Plates. No, not that kind of plates. Tectonic plates. The ones that make up the Earth's crust. They sit on the mantle and move around, very slowly. But when two do collide or scrape up against each other, they can create volcanoes and mountains and earthquakes. Oh my! When two plates collide, it's called folding. When they slide, it's called faulting. How many tectonic plates are there? Well, there are 14 main plates. Which ones are they? They are
the Antarctic plate, the Australian plate, the Eurasian plate, the South American plate, the African plate. So far, this is looking pretty good. The Middle Eastern plate, the Indian plate, the Caribbean plate, the Pacific plate. There isn't even anything there. Well, there's mostly nothing there. The Nazca plate, the Scotia plate, really? At least North America is still looking reasonable, until you include a chunk of Russia, half of Japan, and half of Iceland.
millions of years ago. Scientists believed that our Earth was one supercontinent called Pangaea. Then everything moved into what we know now. There are two main reasons why scientists think this. One is the puzzle piece theory. Most of the continents look like they would fit really snugly together. The other reason is fossils. We have found many fossils for the same species in completely different parts of the Earth. Good enough for me. The Earth has four main layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. It is like this piece of bread with an egg in it. There is the crust, the thinnest and coolest and most fragile compared to everything else. It is 8 to 64 kilometers thick and is made of many different materials. Next is the soft part of the bread, or the mantle. It is 18,000 kilometers thick and is all molten magma. Third is the egg white, or the outer core. It is the thickest at 2,000 kilometers and is anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 degrees Celsius. Finally is the egg yolk, or the inner core. It is 14,000 kilometers thick and is around 5 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Scientists suspect that the core is solid nickel and iron. They think it's because whenever an earthquake happens in one place, seismographs all around the world pick it up, except for a certain area on the opposite side of the Earth. So there must be something blocking the signal. On Earth, there's also the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, but those are just the land, water, and air.